Good morning. Good morning and welcome to the 5-day National FDP on the recent trends in technological advancement for sustainable society in the area of engineering 2022, which is RTASsE 2022, organized by the departments of CSE, IT, ECE, Electrical, Chiliguri Institute of Technology. Myself, Shatodal Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE and moderator of the session. Shiliguri Institute of Technology, in short SIT, is a NAC accredited renowned engineering and management institute of North Bengal, providing the best educational and infrastructural support in entire North Bengal. Now I may take the privilege to introduce Professor Dr. N. Vamsi Krishna of VR Siddharth Engineering College as a keynote speaker of this session. Dr. N. Vamsi Krishna has obtained his BTech degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from AG College of Engineering, Prathipandu, in the year 2005. He did his ME in Control System Engineering from Andhra University in the year of 2008 and completed his PhD in 2019 from Andhra University in the field of control system. He has published his research work in various reputed national and international journals and conferences. One of his research papers was awarded as the best paper in the IEEE International Conference at Palladam, Coimbatore in ICISS 2017. He is a certified mentor for certification in information technology by IIIT Hyderabad. He has developed digital panel meters which are being installed in the panel boards of the machine's laboratory and also a digital auto range and auto select multifunction meter. He has filed 2 patents which are awaiting for examination. His area of interest include control system, embedded system, Internet of Things, fuzzy logic, machine learning. Now, I will request Dr. N. Vamsi Krishna to please enlighten us with his valuable speech. Sir.
So, okay, sir. Thanks for the introduction. So, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Before starting the third session, I will request everyone to please mute your
Okay,
mic.
thank you. So,
Thank
good
you.
morning, everyone. Uh, Hello, is my screen visible, sir? Hello,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Okay. Technological advancements for sustainable society in the area of engineering 2022 is organized by Silguri Institute of Technology, Selbury. So, before going to present my topic, which is the basic implementation of IoT with sensors and actuators, present a small video which is from YouTube, which I found to be better to play before my presentation so that I will be continuing linking with that video. Okay, sir. So the theme of this FTP is the advancement for sustainable society in the area of engineering. As in the video presented, in the beginning it has been showing that imagine a city with the things that have been specified. If you want to make it real time experience of that city, what are the things that are needed and what is the role of IoT in that. So in that context, I am going to explain what is IoT and how to implement IoT with basic sensors and activities. So first of all, what is an IoT? So Internet of Things is the network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and sense or interact with their internal states or the external environment. So we all know what is internet. Internet means it is the interconnection of systems, computers or mobile phones. Whenever we are connecting things also into the net, then the system we call it as Internet of Things. And it requires some embedded technology. So what do you mean by embedded technology? So the things cannot communicate with computer. So there must be a medium which is acting between the internet and the physical objects. So which helps here is the embedded technology, where in general it will be a microcontroller which will be getting the data from the physical objects and will be pumping into the internet or receiving data from the internet and sending it to the physical devices. So what is embedded system means? It is the combination of hardware as well as software. So a software is in general a group of instructions, but an embedded system software is one which is dedicated to a particular hardware only. Okay. Now, what is the general architecture of an IoT device? What are the different layers that are present in it? The first base layer is the IoT device layer, where the list of all connected devices, which may be a fridge, which may be a smartwatch, which may be a car, or which may be anything, which we are going to connect to the internet. All those devices, we call them as IoT device layer. Then IoT gateway or aggregation layer. So by what means these devices are connecting to the internet? It may be a Wi-Fi, or it may be an Ethernet, or it may be a Zigbee. So many ways are there. So using one of the gateway, these devices are communicating with the internet. The next layer, the processing engine or event processing layer. In general, it is the cloud, where all this data that is coming from the sensors is being processed. It may be a data or it may be an event. And the next is the web portal or the dashboard. In the video, we have seen one dashboard. What is the water management? What is the street light management? All these things. That is the dashboard, which can be a mobile app, which can be a website, or which may be a web portal or anything. So in my presentation, I am going to explain some devices connected to this network using Wi-Fi as a gateway. This part we are developing, and regarding top two layers, we are using the third party service providers. Okay. So since the base layer we have seen, it is IoT devices. So in the example we have seen in the video, one example is water usage, where what is the allotted amount of water to the consumer and what he is actually consuming. Is he using excessively or less than that? Means there must be something which will sense the usage of water. And another application is street light. In the dashboard we have seen it is consuming more power, and when to switch on and when to switch off, and when to go for maintenance. It all depends on the status of the street light. So the status or the working condition of the street light is to be monitored. And parking system. So there are different parking lots. We need to identify which slot is empty. So there must be something